Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to smash that subscribe button.
Oh, you subbed to Gatlin Rankin on YouTube.
Wait, Mum's dumpster is here, bro. Wait, give me that sunscreen.
Nah, I'm going.
You want to say anything to them?
I hate niggas.
Okay. Okay.
It's got sunscreen. Did you put sunscreen just on your chest? Probably.
Mums, bro, I need the sunscreen.
Joe, you gotta get my bag.
Just on the chest.
I'm not getting your bag.
Bro, Gaz, you're a gorilla, bro. I swear to God.
Yeah.
I don't think it's as bad as it's as bad as Joe though.
Yeah, when I'm not shaving, bro, it's like
I've only shaved my chest once.
Yeah.
I do it every 2 months now.
Yeah.
Oh, your back ain't that bad.
I just can't be fucked to shave.
Alright. Oh, I should probably get my face.
Hey, what's up top, bro? Alright, fine, let me go.
Still gotta get my back done. I'm not leaving this shade until my back's done.
Guys.
Yeah, well, you gotta do one next.
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
Mums, you're a fucking worker.
Not that bad.
There you go.
Oh, you're actually already sunburned.
Oh, bro, your
No,
neck
you
is
are.
red, bro.
Your neck is fucked.
Your
That
neck
was
is
my next
red.
red, bro.
I'm being serious.
No, I reckon it's still red from gold.
No, it's like, you can tell
Nah,
it's
bro.
new. It's like proper fucking red.
How, bro?
I don't. And your ears too.
How can that even be the case?
Because it was white. I was watching you walk before it was white. Like, that's fucked, Joe. That is so fucked.
Wait, Mums, bro, this is a beach, bro. Look at these idiots, bro. But yeah, W Beach, bro. It's gonna be a good day. Look at this sexy man right here.
My mum told we gotta wait 20 minutes though.
20 minutes?
So it can apply.
20 minutes so it can apply, bro. That's actually good. These guys just going at it, bro.
I don't give a fuck, bro. I'm not getting burnt today.
That's fair. That is fair. It'll take me like an hour before I get burned. If I put sunscreen on, usually I don't get burned.
Alright, where's the pisser?
Just piss in the ocean,
No,
bro.
well, I'll walk to the pisser. It's like something to do for the phone. Are you not coming, Dad?
Oh, wait, you actually want me to come? Do you want me to?
Okay, where's... Somewhere down there, wasn't it?
I think so.
Because it just... Telling you, bro, I'm not getting something. Apparently I already am.
Bro, this guy, he's actually gonna get so burnt.
Fuck off.
You have to mute that, bro. The editing, bro. Gonna be a seeps. Mums, I may as well take a piss too then, because I need a piss too. But they're like already in there too.
Yeah. I ain't listening, bro.
Man, bro, that's fair, bro. Bro, after being sunburned, bro, oh, you don't feel it getting sunburned? Especially when you swim?
I just don't want to get skin cancer, bro. I don't care.
I mean, that's fair.
I don't care about the short-term fucking pain. I literally just don't want to get skin cancer.
Yeah, bro.
I'm like the highest probability for skin cancer.
Oh, so-
no matter what I am.
So am I, bro. Bro, I'm actually gonna get so burnt. Bro, my grandfather gets it, bro.
Yeah, my fucking mum gets it.
He has them cut out, bro. I don't want to be the same, bro.
How are my abs looking, guys?
Actually, it's looking good.
Pretty good.
Better than me. Probably put on 2 kilos from that fucking the cheeseburger I ate last night.
Maybe I'm a compulsive liar.
Mums, I swear I have to do like 2 meals a day so I can start losing weight.
It's about what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Well, actually, no, I'm doing 3.
Sorry. I'm like doing like 2 meals and then like a snack.
Well, I have this every day now. Toast for breakfast
Yeah.
with a 60-gram protein shake.
Yeah.
So that's 2 scoops.
Mm.
Then I have my mince for dinner.
Yeah.
And then after I get home from work, I have like pepperoni and cheese toasty with a Pepsi Max.
Oh, that's actually pretty good to be fair.
Yeah, and that gets me 140 grams each day.
Yeah, I normally do like the nuggets. I'll do peanut butter on toast.
Oh.
And I do like rice cakes with peanut butter. Have a glass of milk. Normally I eat like banana, or I'll eat like 250 grams of strawberries. Mums, they slap when they're the good ones.
Yeah.
And then fucking whatever I have for work. Sausage and veg, chicken and veg,
But
without the gravy now. So much calories in gravy, bro.
I know.
Oh, it's actually cooked. It's actually a good day to come to the beach though.
Yeah. It's the only day this week that it's actually sunny.
I mean, wait, does Bo have work?
Matt does.
Just Matt?
Yeah, just Matt.
Yeah. I mean, I got training, but it's different.
Yeah, well, it's like the time we came, it's literally the highest UV.
Yeah.
Like the highest.
Oh,
I'm going to get burnt.
oh, I can feel myself burning
There's
just
no way
walking
I
back.
don't get burnt.
Oh yeah, it's just how little can you get burnt.
This is not a path, bro.
It's actually good waves too, bro.
What's about Matt's already drowned?
Oh yeah, that's 100% true though, bro.
Fuck my feet.
Knowing that guy, bro. Is that? I left my phone over there, so hopefully nobody takes it. Imagine that, get robbed. Phone gets stolen, bro.
I could just be sitting back there.
Yeah, they could be.
Nothing on my face.
They're just hurting.
Yeah.
Oh, they are, yeah.
You know,
Looks like you'll be in the vlog, Joe.
Go for a waterproof?
It actually is, yeah. But I wasn't gonna take it. I'll probably lose it, bro. Plus, I don't actually trust it, if that makes sense. This thing cost me $600. I ain't trying to destroy it because it says it's waterproof. And then it's not. Yeah, what?
Oh, there he is. Bo's probably drowned.
Probably, yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Gatlin Rankin
vlogs, baby.
What's up, guys? Back at it at the beach.
So I love my boy Hugo, bro. He's such a sexy motherfucker.
Yeah. Just got a really nice tan on my cock.
Oh, okay, we're gonna have to meet that. Where we going, boys?
No, hell no. We're going to a pub that has pokies. Do you know why? Because I like slapping.
Man loves hitting the slaps, bro.
Genghis Khan.
But who hitting up Gay Genie, bro?
Fuck no one.
Yeah.
Fuck that motherfucker. Gonna hit the Matt Tour poke on the Pokemon.
Nah, probably not.
I don't know.
Is that what the time is?
This guy vlogging me, bro. Mate, did I give you consent, bro?
Yeah, I did.
Mate, what? Yeah, I did. It's crazy.
Wait, look at this
black
guy with the
people,
buzz
bro.
cut, bro.
I hate black
Wait, so what haircut are you getting first, bro?
I'm probably gonna get a mohawk or low taper fade because I like ninja.
Oh, you're gonna get the low taper fade.
Where the fuck are the pokies at?
Bro, mums. Where's the pub at?
That's probably because we're on the beach, bro. No one wants to slap it except us fucking fours.
Can we drive to a pub?
Degenerate campers.
We'll see where there's trouble.
Oh, we're trying to find a pub. Are we getting fish and chips or what?
Are you hungry? I just want to drink, okay?
Yeah, well that's
Okay,
you.
yeah.
But I kind of want fish and chips, bro. Not gonna lie.
We get fish and chips after the pokies.
You
So I'm not that
You
hungry.
can get fish and chips at the pokies while we sink beers.
So I'm not that hungry.
I got
Bro,
wicked
that's
sick.
all you want to do is sink beers, bro.
Straight, baby. What do you know? See, look, my hands are shaking.
Beer's actually my middle
This
name.
this guy wants to sink beers
Yeah,
and
beer's my
slap.
middle name, bro.
I got the Pub Plus app.
I'm
bro.
guessing
You know
you're
what
not
that
gonna
means?
drink, Joe, 'cause you're
10%
driving.
discount on
Yeah, I
beers.
got Pokies Plus. You know what that means? I get 10% more slaps.
Shit, bro. You know what that means? That's
I
dangerous.
don't give a
son.
fuck.
Mate, chat, this nigga doesn't know. I'm gonna grab his cock.
Are we driving there? Yes. No. No, I've walked enough today already. Are you hungry, Joe?
But Joe, I just realised that's a Tommy
You are?
Hilfiger hat, bro. No way.
Really? I'm not even
Alright, Daz, I got a would you rather for your vlog.
What do you mean that's a Tommy
Would you rather?
Always gotta take it that one step too much, man.
That's great.
Always gotta take it that one step too far.
Wait, so how far is the pub?
1 minute drive.
Oh, I bet.
I'm gonna need either windows down or glass. You know I blast there.
Oh, look at this guy.
Oh my god.
Oh, bro. All his pokey money went flying, bro.
You're lucky I said it 100.
Man wants to put that in himself, bro.
No gambling. No gambling. Look at Kessler, get a fucking board.
Hey, bro, do a money spread for the vlog.
Hold on.
Bro, type shit, bro. Type shit. Yeah.
Some life for me.
Bro.
Some life for me.
And you got this guy. Broke bitch.